In the eBright Connect backend, you can effortlessly manage data, upload assets, configure educational sessions, set time zones, and craft your communication strategy. This flexibility empowers you with the power of data and seamless sharing. Gamification and rewards. Our gamified strategy encourages progress, presents challenges, and rewards badges for every activity, all with the ultimate goal of recognition and rewards. This platform seamlessly integrates with any channel incentives, enhancing the entire channel lifecycle from education to sales across all partner categories. Data insights. Our centralized dashboards and data analytics provide invaluable insights, enabling you to measure partner engagement levels, make informed decisions, refine tactics, and maximize the impact of your enablement strategy. Discover the undeniable numbers. Unique participation at 76%, unique interest at 76.01%, and unique engagement at 70%. With our platform, you can replicate the success of others.